Hi boys and girls, we are ready for another OG lesson. So I want you to go over these words with me, and some of them are one syllable words, and then we're going to make some two syllable words. So take a look. I see one vowel sound. It's a one syllable word. You can echo me, why? And then on our next one, we have one syllable right now, bun. Add my second syllable, knee. In a two-syllable word, Y says E, bunny. We have our first syllable, hand. I add my second vowel sound to make it a two-syllable word, Y says E, handy. Here's our first syllable, luck. Add my second syllable, E, lucky. Here's our first syllable, kit. Now my second syllable, T, kitty. Our first syllable, can. My second syllable, D, candy. In a two-syllable word, Y says E. Just one syllable, Y says I, shy. Our next one, our first syllable, pick. Turn it into a two-syllable word, E, picky. Our next one, the first syllable, hap. P, happy. Let's go back and read these together so we sound a little smoother. You read them at the same time as me. Y, bunny, handy, lucky, kitty, candy, shy, picky, happy. So we're working with our Y. In a one-syllable word, Y says I. In a two-syllable word, Y says E. So let's see. Let's read these one more time. If you like penguins, read them loud. Y, bunny, handy, lucky, kitty, candy, shy, picky, happy. Let's play a game. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a feeling word. When you're feeling glad, you are feeling happy, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you're being helpful. Something is being very helpful. It's being very handy. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a noun. It's an animal, and it's a baby cat, kitty, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's a feeling word when you're feeling bashful, kind of scared to do something. You're feeling kind of shy. I'm thinking of a word, and it's something sweet that you eat. Gum, suckers, candy, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's a noun. It's a thing, and it's a little animal that likes to hop. Bunny, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it can be a question word. Why? All right, this time I want you to shout the word out before I exit out. Shy, happy, lucky, bunny, candy, picky, why, kitty, handy. Good. Now we're going to look at something else. We know all of our suffixes we've been learning. So I'm going to do a little suffix chop. I'm going to chop off that suffix I see, and that's going to leave us with our base word. We can read our base word first, then we'll add on our suffix. Chop that off right there. All right, here we go. You can read these with me or echo me. So if I cover up my suffix, we have the word clap. Clap, add our suffix, claps. He claps his hands now, so he's doing it right now in action. Cover up our suffix, end. Now since our base word ends in a D or a T, it ends in a D, we say ed, ended. Cover up our suffix, class, as, classes, many classes. Cover up our suffix, that means right now, dash, ing, Dashing. That's another word for maybe running. Cover up the suffix. Switching. Switching. Right now I am switching papers, maybe. Doing it right now. Cover up the suffix. Oh, now this base word does not end in a D or T. So we're not going to say ed. Pitched. It sounds like a T. Pitched. Our next one, cover up the suffix. Swishing. Swishing. Right now the cat is swishing its tail. Cover up the suffix. Bench. Es. Benches. Cover up the suffix. Itching. Itching. Right now my arm is itching. All right, this time let's read these words all together now, a little bit smoother. You can read them with me or echo. Claps, ended, classes, dashing, switching, pitched, swishing, benches, itching. Can you read these words again if you like the Arctic animal of a polar bear? Here we go. Claps, ended, classes, dashing, switching, pitched, swishing, benches, itching. Can you read these again if you like the Arctic animal of the snowy owl? It will be white. Claps, ended, classes, dashing, switching, pitched, swishing, benches, itching. So remember, our ing means it's happening right now. And our s can mean that, or it can mean more than one. And our ed means in the past. It already happened. I could say, yesterday I pitched the ball to you. All right, this time you shout the word out before I exit out. Swishing, itching, switching, benches, classes, dashing, ended, claps, pitched. All right, now let's get our paper ready. Go ahead and write today's date, 1/19/21. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letters that say k as in duck. We hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letters that say j as in bridge. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. Write me the lowercase letters that say ult. It's an ending blend, ult. Two sounds. Write me the lowercase letter that says E as in funny. Oh, in a two-syllable word, what says E? It's that Y. It's acting like an E. Write me the lowercase letters that say br. It's an R blend, br, BR. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh, SH. Write me the lowercase letters that say as in boxes or foxes when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES and you'll please me. I hear it as. It means more than one. Write me the lowercase letter. It's a suffix, just like that was a suffix. It comes at the end of the word and it alters the meaning, and it means right now. And it says ing. I-N-G says ing. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letters, that's a suffix, and it has three sounds, ed, d, or t, and it means in the past. We already did it. It's an ed, right. Write me the lowercase letters that say sw. Good, S-W. Write me the lowercase letters that can say s or z, and it's a suffix. It comes at the end of the word and it alters the meaning. It means more than one, like cats, dogs. Or if we put it on an action word, it means right now, like runs, hops. It's just an S, right? All right, let's get ready. We're going to use our tapping hand. We've got couple two-syllable words. Number one, our first syllable is sun. Sun. Write those three sounds, but let's turn it into a two-syllable word, knee. I hear the N. I'm not writing an E because in a two-syllable word, Y says E. Sunny. The N say one sound, N. Sunny. Our next one, the first syllable, let's get ready to tap it. Pick. P-I-K. Ooh, I hear the K at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. Pick, turned into two-syllable. Pick E. We're not writing an E because now we have a vowel sound. Two syllables. Y says E. Picky. Our next one is just a one-syllable word. Get ready to tap it though. Bridge. Ready? Br-idge. Ooh, this is a sick, I hear. Br-idge. Four sounds, but six letters. Now what says our J at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel? J is spelled D-G-E. Bridge. Our last one, melt. Okay, let's tap it. Melt. I hear all four sounds. Melt. Melt. Let's go back and read these words together. You read them with me. Sunny, picky, bridge, melt. All right, at our diamond, let's review all of our suffixes. So we had our S that can say S or Z. It means more than one. We had our ES that says is when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES and you'll please me, like foxes, boxes, or it can mean now like brushes. All right, our next one is our ED that has three sounds, ed or t, and it means in the past. It already happened. And our next one is our ING that says ing, and it means right now, like right now we are writing. Good. Now let's flip our paper over, and we're going to add some of our suffixes to our base word. Our first one, let's do our base word first. Wish. Wish starts like wagon. W-ish. W-ish. One wish, but what if I said I like to have lots of wishes? Add your suffix when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES and you'll please me. So if I chop off my suffix, there it is, and then that's my base word. Wishes. Our next word, the base word first, pass. P-ass. Three sounds but four letters. Because at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel is spelled SS. There's our one vowel sound. But what if I add our suffix passing? Means right now, I am passing you the ball. ing says ing, passing. So if I chop off my suffix, there's my base word, pass. Our next word, the base word is mend. Ready? Mend. I hear all four sounds. Mend means to fix, like mend a broken arm. Mend. But what if I said, my arm mended? It already happened. And our base word ends in a D, so we know that ed says ed. When our base word ends in a D or T, ed says ed. So there's our suffix and our base word, mended. Our last one, the base word, go slow, is switch. Ready? Sw, itch, ch. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. Sw, itch. There's our TCH. That wasn't a hard word. What if I said, right now we are switching papers? Add your ing. That means right now. Switching. Chop off that suffix. There's our base word. Let's go back and read these words together. You read them with me. Wishes, passing, mended, switching. Good. Now we have a new memory word. And it's a short little compound word. A compound means two words put together. There's a word, and there's a word. I-N-T-O, into. I will go into the school. Let's get ready to skywrite. Get your arm out. Here we go. I-N-T-O, says into. I-N-T-O, says into. I-N-T-O, says into. Let's write it. I-N-T-O, says into. I-N-T-O, says into. I-N-T-O, says into. I-N-T-O, says into. Let's look at it two more times. Get ready to skywrite with me. I-N-T-O, says into. Can you try closing your eyes now? I-N-T-O, says into. Can you spell it without looking? Check it. Into. Now, do you remember our other memory word? L-I-K-E. The E makes the I say I. Like. It's just a K. When we hear the name of the vowel, like I, there's no CK. Just a K. Like. What about this one's almost the same? It has a magic E, makes the A say A. Make. M-A-K-E. Just a K, no CK. We don't have a CK because we're not hearing the short vowel sound. So it has to just be a K. So we have into, like, make. Let's go ahead and write cups. Our sentence might be a telling sentence. It might be a question asking sentence, or a sentence where we have to change our voice to show great expression. Here we go. Listen to my sentence first. Don't start writing yet. The classes are switching is one word, at 10. The classes are switching at 10, so they're flip-flopping. So 6 words. We have a big word in there, switching, but we've written that. So let's say it again. The, start at your left and go to the right. Start with your capital. The classes. Now, this sounds big, but we've got this. Let's do that base word of class first. Class. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel is spelled SS. Class as. Oh. When a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. The classes are, do you remember how to spell that memory word R? A-R-E. The classes are switching. Now that sounds like a big word, but we've got it. Let's do that base word first. Switch. Remember the ch at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. See, our short vowel I says I. Switch. The classes are switching. Oh, they're doing it right now, so we need ing at 10. Like at 10 o'clock. Don't put an I, it's the eh. The classes are switching at 10. So I'm telling you they're switching. It's a telling sentence. So we just get a period. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. That's a big word, switching. The classes are switching at 10. Good job today, boys and girls.